My name is Amanda Strickler, and this is my Module 1 for EDL 850 School Law. A little bit about me is that I am currently an agriculture education teacher at a 4A high school in southeast Kansas. I am the FFA advisor there as well as the head volleyball coach. I literally just got back from a game tonight, and here I am doing homework again. I grew up on my family's farm in a very rural area where I loved every minute of it. I was very involved in FFA growing up as well as 4-H. That's kind of what led me to my career path that I'm currently in. And then I enjoy being outside. I'd rather be outside than inside any time of the day. And I'm a very competitive person, so I love to play sports or anything where I think I could win in. So a critical reflection of my school administrator, some things that I came up with. The first one being sexual identification. We have a new male student who identifies as female, and he has done a really good job of coming up with an agreement with everybody about how to handle the situation. And it is something that everybody is comfortable with. And like I said before, both parties agree. My second bullet is sensitivity trainings. This year, my school has put on 2 sensitivity trainings that hit the fact of difference in races and religions and how we can help celebrate those or not make those students feel isolated in any way, as well as the LGBTQ community. My administrator is a huge advocate for student rights. He's very supportive and knows special education laws and support, as well as he always keeps confidentiality within student discipline. And our sports teams require random drug tests. He is not allowed to disclose what those individuals failed on. And he just does a really good job of communicating with the staff what we can know, but also knowing that he can't reveal everything to us because sometimes there are things that we just don't need to know or that concern us. My personal knowledge and critique on what I know, obviously the Brown versus Board of Education, how that ruling went and how that kind of turned the tide and set the laws for the schools today, as well as HIPAA and FERPA laws. I feel those are pretty common, and if you're an educator, you probably should be aware of those laws. I know that I am a mandatory reporter and that I must tell if I see or hear anything that would endanger a student in any way, shape, or form, as well as equality, just treating everyone with the same respect and dignity throughout. My plan on how to learn more about school law policies and procedures. Like I said, my school is doing a really good job right now of helping us become more familiar with things that we may not have ever considered or have known about, because dominantly, if you look at our staff, we are a white community with little diversity in the students, but we do have those diversities some, and we just need to be aware of that and how they can feel it sometimes. This module really helped me. I had to review our policies and documents on our website. I didn't even know some of those were there, so that was really eye-opening to see that, hey, I could actually find more information, and our school does cover these types of things and what to do and where to go with that. And then I just think staying up to date on world issues is very important. There's always something new coming about, and if we can stay on top of it to see what happens, I think that helps everybody in the long run. So again, my name is Amanda Strickler, and I look forward to being in this class with you all.